Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. Let's get started just sitting straight up with our legs out in front of us. And you can place your hands on your thighs and close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose and let it out through your nose. Again, let's take a big breath, breathing in and let it out. One more time, big breath in through the nose and out through the nose as you turn your head towards the left, lining your chin up with your left shoulder, maybe feeling a little stretch in the neck. And now turn your head to the right. Bring your head back to center as you drop your left ear over towards the left shoulder. Drop your head forward, bringing your chin to your chest. And now bring your right ear to your right shoulder. Drop your head forward again, bringing your chin to your chest. And now you can look up. Let's raise our shoulders up all the way and drop them down. Again, let's lift the shoulders up, drop them down. One more time, let's lift our shoulders up. And we drop our shoulders down. Take a deep breath in and out through your nose. Slowly begin to walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. If it feels comfortable, you can reach for your toes or your feet or your ankles. Let's take a deep breath in through our nose and sigh it out through your mouth. Again, big breath, breathing into the nose. Open mouth, exhale, let it go. We slowly come back up. Let's bend our right knee. You can have that knee really close or you can have it far away from you. You're going to grab onto your right knee with the left hand as you twist. So your right arm can be next to you or behind you if you have some space, and maybe you look over that right shoulder. We come back to center, bringing that right leg into a half butterfly. So bringing that right foot to either the left inner thigh or the knee or the calf. And let's just walk our hands forward, coming to the middle. And we slowly make our way back up, and you can straighten that right leg in front of you as we bend our left knee this time. Let's grab onto that left leg with our arm or our hand and we twist. Looking behind us if you have enough room and if it feels comfortable. Now let's bring that left leg into our half butterfly, making our way into that forward fold, walking the hands towards the middle. Slowly make your way back up, coming into a full butterfly. Bringing the soles of your feet together, your knees are far apart. You can stay just like this if you're feeling a good stretch, or if you want to go deeper, you go into your forward fold by walking the hands forward. Let's come up as we extend our legs forward again. Coming into our side body stretch with that left arm coming up and over. And now we switch sides. Let's come into our forward fold. Maybe you go a little bit deeper this time, maybe not. We come back up, sweeping the arms up overhead, maybe leaning back a little bit, reaching back, and hands come to heart center. Let's take a deep breath, breathing in through the nose and sigh it out through the mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is going to be on the screen and in the description box below, including classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.